Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, we're doing an unboxing of this month's Lookfantastic box. Yes, so today's video is an unboxing of February's Lookfantastic box. I haven't opened it yet. As always, I'm going to do the unboxing with you guys. I haven't really seen anything about this month's box specifically. There was a sneak peek on the little brochure thing that you get inside of one of the products, which I don't think I actually showed you last month. I think I was just excited by the new box. I didn't notice the last page until after I'd filmed. So I do know what that is, and I kind of saw a picture of another product possibly, but there are another 4 products in here. So this is just my second unboxing of the Lookfantastic box. I got my very first box last month. I chose the Lookfantastic box as something different to try. It cost me £13 a month, and that's because I've signed up for a 12-month subscription. Because the longer you sign up for, you kind of get the box a little cheaper. So it's definitely worth having a look at that if you think you're going to, be getting it every month. Lookfantastic for me seemed really good. It had like an array of products by some decent brands of like things that I like. It seemed to be quite skincare heavy, which I like. You get a free Elle Magazine every month, so that was a bonus also for me. So anyway, I'm going on. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so it opens out and here's our box. So it feels a little lighter than last month's. So this month is pink. It's a very pretty like hot pink. I'm guessing maybe this month's theme might be like some kind of Valentine's-esque thing. So let's open it up and check out what's inside. Okay, so the first thing that I see then is our leaflet, which tells us all about the products. And I think, actually, I don't think I read it out to you last month. There is a page at the beginning, which I completely missed last month, of the excitement of just flicking through it, that actually tells you about the box. So I'll read that to you now and then we'll have a little look at the products. So this month's theme is more. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and this month's beauty box is here to celebrate all things love. From romance to friendships to that all-important self-love, this February, let our Amore edition help you celebrate love in all forms. Our February beauty box contains 6 handpicked by experts to make you feel adored, appreciated, and all-round amazing. Oh my goodness, I cannot read today. We're also bringing you an exclusive interview with Espa's marketing manager and our top tips for date night makeup to last all night long, blah, blah, blah. So that's just kind of what's in here, apparently. So this does tell you a little about the products, so I'll read that bump as we go through it all. Okay, so as ever, it is beautifully wrapped. I just realised, shouldn't there be an Elle Magazine also on the top? The Elle Magazine's missing. Oh dear, I hope they haven't just missed out on mine. Ugh, that would be my luck, wouldn't it? Right, anyway, let's just look at the products and I'll figure that out later. Okay, so yeah, it does come lovely wrapped in tissue. I always take such care not to break it, and yet it's gonna happen. So, as we open it out then, here is a sneak peek at this month's products. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the booklet and we'll pull out the first item. Okay, so the first item is actually what we got a sneak peek of in last month's little booklet. Okay, so it is this little guy, and it's actually smaller than I was expecting, although the packaging is absolutely blinking lovely. Wow. Okay, right, so anyway, this is by Espa or Espa, and it's a detoxifying body oil, and this is 15 mils and it is worth £5. Like I say, I really like the packaging. The lid's like kind of almost like marbly effect. Just looks really kind of high end and really nice. So it says that this is designed to be used daily to firm the skin and soothe muscles. This Espa body oil is formulated with a blend of aromatic oils such as juniper berry and cypress to delight your senses. And it says you massage onto clean skin in firm circular motions until it's fully absorbed. It's best used in the morning to feel the effects all day. So that's really nice. Again, it's perfect little kind of travel size. I may actually take that on holiday with me because it's kind of like a perfect little size, and a body oil once you've been in the sun might be quite nice. I don't know, although it says morning, and I would probably apply sun cream and stuff, so maybe not. Maybe when I come home and I've got a nice tan and I can apply this every day, and then it will look nice. Yes. Okay. On to the next item, and this is the one that I actually saw a slight sneak peek of. I think I saw a post on Instagram. I was like, oh no, quickly scroll past because I know what that is. That's the Lookfantastic box. So it is this Brushworks Wonder Complexion Sponge. Now, I do already have one of these, I believe. I think it's the same thing. It's over there in a little box of stuff that I've yet to try. I got it in my Birchbox advent calendar. Not this Christmas gone, but the one before that, and I still haven't tried it. Basically, I absolutely love the Real Techniques complexion sponge. I just find that's fab. So, yeah, I haven't really got around to trying the one of that, but now I've got two. Maybe I should. Or, you know, I've got giveaways coming up. I could put one in a giveaway and try one out. I'll just double check it is the same sponge. Haha, it's not the same. The one I got in, well, it is kind of the same. The one I got in my Birchbox advent calendar is a different shape. So maybe I'll use them both. Anyway, let's read that little write-up about this little guy. It's very much the same shape as the Real Techniques sponge, so it might actually be something that I enjoy. So this is worth £5.49, and it says, achieve a flawless base with the help of this Brushworks face sponge. The super soft and long-lasting, especially designed to fit your facial contours, blends liquid makeup to perfection for professional results. So yeah, I'm intrigued. I will give that a try. I'm just about to start a new Real Techniques sponge, so maybe I should use this one instead. Anyway, it says that you just dampen the sponge, wring it out of the excess water, and then you use the round side to apply foundation and the flat side for contouring, and the tip for your under eyes and smaller areas. Okay, the kind of flat side is actually a lot bigger on the Real Techniques sponge, and I tend to use that bit for my foundation. But yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, the next item is a lipstick from Elle Magazine. They're a great brand. This is just a mini one. Apparently it is worth £10. It's mini antimatter lipstick, so I think that must be the colour. I will be using this, so I can open that. Oh, it's got like a sticker. So it's a really nice nude shade. That'll be really nice on my lips. By the way, shout out to the product that's on my lips today is the Colourpop liquid lip. It's fab. Make sure you checked out my Colourpop videos if you haven't already. Anyway, this one says to enhance your pout in just one swipe with this mini oh my word, sorry. Enhance your pout in just one swipe with this mini Elle Magazine anti-matter lip product. It's semi-matte and long-wearing with a creamy texture that will soften your lips and add intense pigment all at once. You just apply directly to your lips, or you could use a lip brush. So that looks like a colour that I will actually get a lot of use out of. It's quite a cute little mini design, so that's perfect for slipping in a handbag or in a makeup bag, isn't it? Okay then, let's move on to our next product. Okay, and another fairly small little mini sample is from Flausia, I believe it is. I don't know. I've had some daft bits from these in the Pick and Mix service from Feel Unique. So this one is 15 mils and it's worth £12.60. And it says, this anti-wrinkle brightening face mask from Flausia will enhance your skin's natural radiance and target signs of aging, and tiredness from the first application. It's infused with NCTF, which is an anti-aging complex used in non-surgical procedures. The delicate cream will leave your skin plumper, brighter, and more even in tone. And it says to apply a generous layer over the face and neck and décolletage, leave for 15 to 30 minutes, and then remove with a damp cloth. Okay, so it's kind of like a face mask deal. There's not an awful lot in here, so it's probably only maybe one, possibly two uses. Kind of a shame, but it does sound really nice. So Yeah, that'll be a nice one to try. Is it something I would use a Face Mask Friday? Maybe it is. Okay, so our next item is this, and again, beautifully packaged, absolutely gorgeous. It's by Niobe, and it is a gentle facial toner. This one then is worth £12.50, and we get 125 mils. Like I say, the bottle is absolutely beautiful. It's got like muted pink tones on there and this wooden lid, which is a really nice touch. That's going to look super pretty in the cupboard where nobody will see it. I'll maybe keep it out on my bathroom top. So it says it's formulated with nourishing raspberry, alti. Oh my gosh, I'm really bad at reading and writing and not writing. Actually, what are you talking about? So it's formulated with nourishing raspberry, alti, and calendula extracts to bring an amazing 4-in-1 benefits to the skin, removing leftover traces of makeup, toning, soothing, and hydrating your complexion. Use it daily for smoother, more refined skin. It says to apply all over the face with a cotton pad twice daily after cleansing. So that I would definitely get some use out of it. It's quite a subtle, I think, possibly, yeah, fruity smell to that. Our very last product is from Project Lip, and it is a mask. So, or is it, oh, it's from Project, and it is a lip mask. Sorry, it's confusing on the packaging. So it says it's specially designed to target dry, chapped lips. The Project Lip collagen infused hydrogel lip mask hydrates, smooths, and plumps all in one. It says to remove film from both sides of the lip mask, apply to dry lips and leave for 15 to 20 minutes before taking off and rubbing in the excess serum. So I've had some lip masks before. Haven't had anything from this brand. Haven't even heard of this brand, to be fair. So yeah, that should be a nice one. Sorry, I'm just reading kind of the packet while I'm talking to you. That's kind of a little bit rude, actually. But yeah, that'll be a fun one to try out. If you guys are interested, I don't think it's Face Mask Friday worthy, but it might be that I pop a daft video on my Instagram if you're curious. Okay, so that is all the items. In our book then we have some more articles just about bits and bobs to do with the products that are in the box. It's always really nice to have a little read through. I actually read through the last one and I enjoyed it. And then on the back we get a sneak peek of next month's, or one of next month's products. So if you don't want to be spoiled, look away now because I'm about to spoil it. In this one then we get a anti-wrinkle eye cream, it looks like, and it is from Madara. I think, I don't know, I haven't heard that brand, but it's worth £35, and it says it's formulated with birch water, an ingredient scientifically proven to reverse age damage. This gentle hydrating eye cream from Madara tackles signs of fatigue, crow's feet, and fine lines from the very first use. So that sounds nice. I love a good eye cream. Love a good eye cream. So that'll be really nice. Okay, so before I leave you, I'm going to just grab my phone and double check what the hell the issue is with the Elle Magazine this month, because I'm kind of disappointed I haven't got one. So I'm just looking through on my phone at the minute, and I can't really find any mention of there not being or there being an Elle Magazine. I genuinely kind of don't know what's going on. Yeah. I'm sure, I've just looked on the website and I'm sure it did used to kind of say you get a free Elle Magazine with every box. It's one of the main reasons I actually chose Lookfantastic over Glossy Box, because I thought it was nice to have a magazine every month. I was planning on taking this month's on the plane at the end of the month. Well, in 2 weeks' time, actually. Yeah, so I genuinely don't know what's going on. I think I might drop them a little message, kind of be like, yo guys, what's going on? Yeah, this is a little crazy. I'm just on their Instagram at the minute and there's no mention of, well, Elle Magazine, kind of full stop, to be honest. Okay, so I'm just flicking through and the posts that Lookfantastic have put on their Instagram, there's a lot of people asking about where the Elle Magazine is, because it's missing. And just looking here at a reply that Lookfantastic have put on to one of the comments, quite a long one. It says, I would kindly like to advise that we have decided to remove the Elle Magazine in line with our packaging becoming fully recyclable. We are working on making our entire beauty box subscription more sustainable, so this is a great step towards achieving this. As the products in the box come from external companies, we are unable to confirm the sustainability of them at this time, but this is something we take into consideration. To replace this, we're going to increase the number of blogs on our website. So basically, they've done away with Elle Magazine, which actually seems pretty crap, to be fair, because literally this is my second box and I've only had one with an Elle Magazine, and it was one of the reasons that kind of pulled me in. So yeah, I feel a little let down by that. And the fact that they haven't really advertised it, people having to go onto their Instagram and be like, yo guys, where's Elle Magazine? Yeah, not impressed, to be fair, Lookfantastic. It's the second box I've had and you've kind of annoyed me. So, right, okay, other than that, I love the Lookfantastic boxes. These are like super useful. I can definitely get use out of these again. I can pack things into them for like giveaways. I can use them as storage. Last month's was a beautiful bright colour. This month's is also. So they're definitely useful. Products inside. I'm happy, but I'm not overly like, wow, by it all. I just think there's a lot of small samples in here. To be fair, the only one I feel like you're getting a good sample of is this toner. I mean, the lipstick will definitely last a little while, but it is very mini. And then this is single use. These are nice, but very small. And I kind of have my go-to sponge already, so I'm not like wowed by this. So it's an okay box for me. It's not mind-blowing. I was super duper happy with last month's. I've pretty much used everything that was in it and actually have enjoyed it. But I'm looking forward to trying the toner. The lipstick I think will be really nice. I'll definitely try the lip mask. This little bottle's super cute. I'll definitely use that. A face mask, but again, it's probably just like 1 or 2 uses, if that. So yeah. I genuinely feel a little betrayed almost, I guess, by the fact that they just decided to do away with the Elle Magazine and then give us so many mini products. Just feel a little cheated this month. But it's cost me £13, which, to be fair, I've probably got my money's worth. Well, I have. They are priced. The products are obviously priced. Usually I think they say the worth's over £50 in these boxes, so that's nice. Anyway, I am blabbing on now because and you're probably sick of listening to me. But the box is okay. I look forward to seeing what next month brings. I'm already quite excited about the eye cream. I have signed up for a year, so I will be having one every month. Sadly, now without an Elle Magazine, which was one of the main reasons for me getting this box. So, thank you for watching, guys. If you've liked this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. Drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this month's box. Let me know how you feel about them ditching the Elle Magazine. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm going to be unboxing this every month. Hopefully next month might be less disappointing. And yeah, I've got plenty of other videos coming up, so hopefully we'll make up for this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.